Layers are used in digital designing and editing to separate the different elements of an image. You can take individual design elements and combine them together for a cohesive look. In this particular design, you'll notice that this image is layered on top of this circle, which is layered on top of these rectangles, which is layered on this background. In Simplified, you can access all the different layers of your artboard by clicking on the artboard editor and viewing all of the different layers that make up this particular design. I can choose a particular element on this page and manipulate the order in which it appears. So for example, I can send it to the back, and now this element is layered behind this image here. Pro tip from Simplified, create a lot of contrast between the different layers in your design. Layers are most effective when you can clearly differentiate between them. Some ways you can do this are by choosing colors that are on opposite sides of the color wheel. With patterns, you could pair a bold design with a solid color. And when it comes to sizes, you may want to play around with different proportions of shapes for a stronger visual effect. Not only does this help make each element stand out more clearly, but it also makes the artboard look more visually interesting. Play around and adjust your layers until your design appeals to your brand's vision. Check out our other videos to see how Simplified makes content creation a breeze.